Hey neighbors, welcome back to the channel. We said we were gonna bring you pretty good content and we can't do quality content without food. So here we are in our kitchen. Get ready, we're about to make Italian paninis. Let's go. All right, everybody, so this is the starting lineup for tonight's event and we are going to begin introductions with our clutch player for the evening. Yes, y'all, pre-cooked chicken breast. Now this is going to put the quick into our quick 15-minute meal. Use whatever brand you like and it'll be just right. Before we move on to the rest of our ingredients, I want to point out that I line my countertops with plastic wrap and this helps me to avoid food staining. It works like a charm, try it out, and it makes cleanup quick and easy. Okay, so on to the rest of our ingredients. We've got our George Foreman grill looking all handsome and stuff, our seeded and sliced rye bread, some provolone cheese, go ahead and zoom in on the mayonnaise, roasted red peppers and onions, our clutch player chicken, and pesto. Presto for the pesto, you know what it is. Now let's get cooking. So I went ahead and prepped Uncle George with some non-stick spray and put a little mayonnaise on my first slice of bread. Of course, this is optional, but I'm going for flaky crunch, okay? And next though is pesto. This is my favorite part, adding the provolone. The cheese will take a few minutes to heat, but it'll be nice and melty around the 7-minute mark. Now we add our peppers and onions, which I just picked up from the frozen veggie aisle and heated up pretty quickly. Next up is our star pre-cooked chicken breast, which I also heated for about 2 minutes before adding to my sandwich. Then a bit more pesto and presto! You can finish it up with adding your second slice of bread with a little mayonnaise on top. So you know I gotta give you a closer look at what we have going on here. This is a masterpiece in the making, people. And so I'm gonna give my sandwich one good press and set my time for 3 minutes. Alright, so I know they say you ain't cooking if you're looking, but Usher is the only person allowed to let it burn in this house, so I'm gonna look at my sandwich and make sure it's browning as intended. And after another 2 minutes, my panini was nice and brown and ready to be removed. Okay y'all, so here's how the panini is looking after it's finished cooking. The ingredients should be in harmony like an orchestra for your taste buds. I know we could end it here, but as for me and my house, it can't go out the kitchen if it ain't finger licking. So let's get this baby cleaned up for final presentation to the people. Woo, baby, that thing is looking good. Got the plate shaking because I am emotional. I'm the doctor on duty in my kitchen and this delivery was a success. But you know we gotta take it to Clyde to get his thoughts.
Perfect. Perfect.
I did that. Hold on, let's zoom in on him. Okay, what do you taste? Let me know.
It's a good sandwich. Taste peppers, taste chicken. A little provolone, a little that pesto.
Oh, that pesto. That pesto. Glad you enjoyed.
This is it.
This is it? This the one. All right, so we done came and thrown down in the kitchen less than 10-15 minutes and it's pretty good. So let me know if you try out this recipe, how it works for you, or what you do with your George Foreman grill. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, all the YouTube things below, and I'll see you next time.